A quick how-to, how I did my holiday coral mini trees. I decided to go with a 3-section mini tree with two 2011 pixel LEDs here, 2 here, and 3 on the bottom, which will come out to pigtails to the controller, and a pigtail going the other way to the next tree. This is just a simple idea that I did. Instead of just having one tree illuminate and change colors, they'll have 3 sections in each tree, which I'm fixing to demonstrate with a simple sequence. Alright, this is the sequence I did, a simple sequence to show it. On the 3-tier holiday coral tree that I purchased, this is the finished product of the light string. I'm going to show you how I got to this point. So to start, we need 3 2011 square pixels. Make sure they are pixels, not the dumb RGBs. You can get these in either one. These are the 2811 pixel nodes. So you're going to strip each end of those. You have a 3 that's untaped. Then you need 2 that are taped together. Do not untape them and strip both ends. You need 2 10-inch wires with stripped on each end, and a 22-inch wire that will be stripped. So we're going to go ahead and strip this one. I've already stripped the other 2. You can lay that aside for now. We're going to take the 3-piece wire and also forgot to mention you're going to need the pigtail connectors, 3-prong pigtail connectors. For mine, I'm doing the female side. Go ahead and strip the ends of those. You're going to take the 3 LED and make sure you watch the arrows. The arrow is the way the data flows. So we want them going to the left. And I'm using my blue as my power, brown to ground, and yellow as data. So my blue is going to attach to the red. Make sure you put on the heat shrink. So blue to my red. I'm going to twist these together, in line together, not around the other way. I'm going to take the soldering iron. This does require soldering. You can probably tape it, but I don't recommend it. And we're just going to put a little bit of solder on it to hold it together. And do the same way for the other 2. Alright, I've already soldered the 3 together. Here's my heat shrink. I'm going to take and heat the crank it up. And that end is finished. Now we go to the other end. Still flowing with arrows. I'm going to take one of our 10-inch. We're going to do the same thing. And also to note, when you do the 10-inch piece and the 22-inch piece, your reds go together, the green and white goes together for your data, and your blues go together for your grounds. So as you're twisting them together. And there you have it. All three soldered together. Slide these heat shrink tubings down over it. Let's take a heat gun, or I use my torch, and shrink it. Alright, so now on the other end of the 10-inch piece, we're going to go with the combo set, the pair. Follow your arrows down. We still want to go in, so we're going to go in. So we're going to use this side. And same color as the last one. White's going to be green, red to red, blue to blue. And we're going to do this for the next two sets. And here you see that I've attached these three, and I went on and attached the next 10-inch pigtail to the other side. I did. Maybe. Alright, so now you see I've added the second set now. So here's the first set, there's the second. We'll go ahead and go ahead and heat shrink these. And I went on and added the 22-inch wire to the other side of this one, the output side of this one. And also you can, this isn't required, I'm not doing it on all of mine, but you can add a larger piece, if I can get it open here. down here over the ends. If you want to go all the way down and make it look a little bit cleaner, you can do that. And then you'd have a clean section there. We're going to talk about this, the last wire here, the 22-inch wire. There's a couple different ways you can go about this depending on your setup. My trees are going to be 3 feet apart, so I'm going to be using a 5-foot pigtail to attach mine together. So at the end of this one will be my pigtail, and I'll tie in with a 5-foot and go to the next tree. Across and go down. The other way, if your trees are closer together, this wire that is 22 inches here could be cut longer and the pigtail go on the end of it and go straight to the next tree without having to use another pigtail. So depending on your length, this could run straight to the next tree and plug in. So depending on your setup. And there you have it. You have your 3 section with the female end, a 2, another 2, and then the output side going to the next tree, which would be the male end. Here is a look at how they are inside and mounted. You can see down in there. So you got your 3, and then I got the wires coming up the back side of it. You got the 2 in the center. It comes up. You got 2 in the top, and then your wire comes back down and out the bottom side into the controller. Alright, so here's going to be what it looks like once you get a sequence done. Got the bottom section, got it going up and down. And that's the front side of it, what it looks like on the front. And there you have it. That is how you do the 3-section holiday coral tier tree design. Watch my other videos and visit my website at Lights of Amelia, LIGHTSOFAMELIA, for other videos and my show videos. Thank you.